As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There's only one thing you need to know to be able to answer this question. That's what is the WTD for all understanding questions. First, you can recognize an understanding question because it actually asks a question. Almost all the other questions on the ACT are just word prompts, but if it actually asks a question, that is an understanding question. And we want to be as literal as possible on understanding question. That's the WT. You want to be literal in what you read in the passage, literal in what you read in the question, literal in what you read in the answers. Be as literal as possible. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at number 25. The question asks, which choice makes clear that the clothing of two of the four girls in the photo is being described in the sentence? Answer A, four young Chicago girls, one wearing a red and white gingham dress and then wrapped in a blue shawl. So the way this is saying it could be, and it sounds like it is, just the one girl that is wearing a gingham dress and wrapped in a blue shawl. Okay, so this is not going to be making it clear that it's two of the four girls being described. Four young girls, one wearing a red and white gingham dress, and another wrapped in blue shawl. So this is almost certainly going to be the right answer. It's very clear we're talking about one girl in the gingham and then another girl in the blue shawl. So that's almost certainly going to be our two of the four described. And also wrapped. So also wrapped also sounds like it's just that same girl that is wrapped in a red and white gingham and also in the blue shawl. So it makes it seem like it's that one girl. Answer D is delete, one wearing a red and white gingham dress and wrapped in a blue shawl. So this also makes it seem like it's just that one girl, leaving us with answer B, confirmed. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the right answer, and then continue to the next literals question that you missed on this test. If this is the final literals question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the literals mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before coming back and continue on the next category that you missed the most of.